Welcome, dear students. I hope all are well. Today I am now taking a class Business Studies, class 12. Topics: Management, Art or Science. Now topics: Management, Art. Management is a art or a science. Management is a art or a science. Now I already discussed previous class what is the art and what is management art. Now I already discussed it. Okay. Now today I am discussing now management as a science. Management as a science. Management as a science. So what is science? At first now, what is science? The science is described as science is described as specialized knowledge described as specialized knowledge, repeat knowledge, specialized knowledge, repeat knowledge gathered by observations, and experiment, gathered by observations and experiment, gathered by observations and experiment, critically tested, systematics and brought under critically tested, systematics, brought under general principles. Brought under general principles. The science is a described specialized knowledge. Specialized knowledge means now any knowledge you gathered, now trial and method, more and more experiment, and critically observation, tested, systematic, brought under general principles. Under general principles. So what is science? Now science is observe the knowledge for more and more experiment. Anything you can do the invention, at first your experiment is there. Now what may be right or wrong, but experiment is a through equipment, experiment and critically through the proper observations. Clear? According to Keynes said that science is a systematic body of knowledge. Science is a systematic body of knowledge which establishes relationship between cause and effect. According to Keynes, tell me, the science is a systematic body of knowledge. Science is a systematic body of knowledge Science is systematic body of knowledge which establishes relationship between cause and effect. Okay, the Keynes tell science is systematic body of knowledge. Systematic means now the through proper principles. Now to follow the proper principles. Body of knowledge, which is knowledge. Now knowledge is gathered by the observations. Now it is a more and more experiment is there, which establish relationship between cause and effect. What is the cause and effect? Now now why to the now which is now invention, and what is the result? Cause and effect. What is the positive? What is now created now? Do the positive or negative? How to maintain the relationship through the proper observations, cause and effect. Okay. Now, another way, Ernest Dell tells that science is a soft, management is a soft science. Tell that management is a soft science. Why? It is not a rigid. Now it is a flexible. Now it is the universally accepted. So why management is a soft science? It cannot rigid to the principle. Now it is flexible. Now it is maintained to the situational basis. Clear? Now it is clear the management, what is science, and management is why management is a science. Now discuss the management as a science in your favor. Management is science. Now, number one, science is a systematic body of knowledge. Systematic body of knowledge. Systematic body of knowledge. The science is a systematic and organized body of knowledge. Its principles are based on science is a systematic and organized body of knowledge systematic and organized body of knowledge. Its principles are based on the relationship between cause and effect, based on our relationship between cause and effect. Now I already tell you what is the cause and effect. The science is systematic and organized body of knowledge. Its principles based on the relationship between cause and effect. The management is also a systematic body of knowledge because came to be recognized after years of research and experiment. Now, management is also said that systematic body of knowledge science is systematic body of knowledge because it came to the recognized year to year experiments to the express of the management, Okay, clear? The science is a systematic and organized body of knowledge. Now, management is also a systematic body of knowledge. Why? The science is including the cause and effect relationship. Now it is the experiment to the year to year. Now it is experiment to the year to year. Clear? Okay. Thank you. Now discuss the next class. Okay.